Hello, let's get started from 101.
101.
101.
I want to start the one. With the help of the IT technicians, the missing accounting files have been recovered.
Have been recovered.
A
Which
private
is your
reception
answer?
for the
Wait,
gallery
wait, wait.
donors.
Please tell me the exact one. Recover, okay? The answer is correct, but recover without ed or with ed?
It's ED.
Yeah. Have been recovered, okay?
And then a private reception of the gallery donors will be held on March 5th, prior to the grand opening of the exhibit.
Okay, so this is will be held a, okay? So you also know the passive, good. And
Aurora Furnishings is finding it difficult to make profit in its increasingly competitive market.
in its
Increasingly.
increasingly competitive, yes, we need to put adverb, okay, good.
And then a minor electrical malfunction was discovered by the pilot shortly shortly before the plane took off.
Yes, shortly before the plane took off. Yes, the answer
They'll
is
make a
B.
final decision about changing the landscaping of the property after reviewing the estimated cost.
Yes, estimated cost. Yes, number C,
My
estimated
Health
cost.
Co. has produced a wide range of vitamin supplies for over 2 decades.
Yes, for over 2 decades. Wait, please give me a second. About 108.
108. The customer's order confirmed confirmed will be sent by email within 24 hours.
Are you sure order confirm or order confirmation?
Or confirmation.
Yes, it should be now order confirmation. So the
I
answer
know,
is
because I
A.
think I'm too used to how my father speaks with it. So
Yes.
it says this will be confirmed within 24 hours.
It will be verb. You need to confirm it. So it is verb. You need to confirm it. But for the noun form here, the customer's order confirmation. Confirmation is the noun form. That's why the answer is A, confirmation, because this is noun. Okay, and 109.
Mhm. Uh,
The maintenance team.
Maintenance team's repair request should be organized in the groups according to the urgency.
Yeah, should be organized. So the answer is
Uh, organized.
yes. So A or B or C or D.
What else? C.
C, organized. Okay, passive. 110.
Okay. Following Miss Rivera's brief statement, I think it's a brief statement.
Of course, brief
Oh,
statement.
yeah.
Yes.
The official awards for the ceremony of Plex Industries will commence.
You know comments, right? We'll get started.
Will begin.
Yes. So
Due
it's
to
a
a high
brief
volume
statement.
of foot traffic, the shop must polish its floors more frequently than
Yes,
usual.
more frequently. D. Okay. And 113.
130 is 130. Financial advisors report that older investors tend to be more cautious than their younger counterparts.
Yes. Tend to be more
Ms.
cautious.
Albert promptly
Please read the whole sentence and get back to the answer. Don't try to
Albert
answer first if you're not sure.
in replying the HR director emails demonstrated he was highly interested in the position. I think it's promptness.
Promptness, yes, because this is noun form. You can see apostrophe yes, so possessive noun. So her promptness, it means that her reply is so quick, so prompt. But here, this is also the same for 108. Have a look. 108. The customer's order confirmation, it is also the noun form. And here, 114, it's also the same. Mr. Albert's promptness. Okay, noun form. So the answer is A. And 115?
The 115 is 115. The soccer players usually practice at the main field or Waterbury Park, but they sometimes practice elsewhere.
Elsewhere, yes. This is talking about the place, so elsewhere.
Captains were
Okay.
unable to produce a full report by the deadline, but promised that they would give a summary of the important points.
Yes, important points. They. Yes, the correct answer is they. Okay. How about 117?
All right. So for 170 is, despite having
117.
some problems with the sound system during the performance, the concert was an enjoyable experience for everyone.
Yes, adjective and enjoyable experience. So A. Okay. And 118?
Mhm. Meaning that the building is an excellent location and a modern interior, it is popular among visitors.
Wait.
Parts and
So wait. So what's the answer?
seeing that,
No, I'm afraid not.
provided that
Yes, provided that.
the parts recreation department offers uh, rewarding opportunities for volunteers to improve the community.
Yes,
The
rewarding opportunities. Rewarding is adjective. You know
yeah,
that, right? Okay.
the,
And
the
one.
vacant rooms on the second floor has 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 all been cleared.
Yes, have all been clear. No, not clear. Clean. Have all been clean. Yes,
Yeah.
D. And 121.
The short story cannot be reprinted without explicit permission from the writer.
Yes, without. Okay. 122.
The restaurant uh has a cheerful decorated room that's
Are you
perfect for
sure it's a cheerful, decorated room?
a cheerful. But
I'm
cheerfully,
afraid.
I
I'm
think
afraid
so.
not. This is
Cheerful.
cheerfully. Yes, adverb. Cheerfully decorated room. Decorated is adjective here. So cheerfully, how? So you have to show the manner. Decorated cheerfully. That's why the answer is the restaurant has a cheerfully decorated room. Okay? It also the same as here. Wait, have a look. Do you remember this one? Mm, wait. We have just finished the similar one. Mm, mm, no, not here. I think not today. Not from today's lesson, I guess. We have finished such type of adverb, adjective, and noun.
A while expert is scheduled to talk.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
A wildlife.
talk on the requirements in that on the impact that
On the
affect
impact,
has
yes.
and on the surrounding forest.
Yes. And 1, 2, 4.
124 is the landlord raised the monthly rent for the first time in several years, and reasonably so.
Yes, reasonably. B. Yes. Raise the money
As the
reasonably. Yes. Okay, so B.
As long
And
as there are no further delays, the factory will be fully operational on by June 18.
yes, will be fully operational. Yes. Here it's also the same, right? Fully. Yeah. That's what I would like to tell you. Look at 122. Cheerfully decorated. Adverb and adjective. Cheerfully decorated room. And here it's also the same. Adverb and adjective will be fully operational. Fully is adverb and operational
So,
is adjective.
thanks to his experience, Mr. Warren is certainly capable of completing the job on his own.
Yeah, certainly. Yes. And 127.
Because of the rising fuel costs, some
Rising
people are
cost.
choosing to stay home
Yes.
for the summer vacation rather than to drive to tourist sites.
In 1 to 8.
I don't understand the point of driving there. You should go to another country using a plane.
Yeah, it's so lame. Yes.
The green light on the side of a water purifier lights up whenever the filter needs to be
Of
replaced.
course, whenever.
Items in Miss Burke's order were out of stocks, so her invoice was adjusted continuously.
No, 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 not
I think
continuously.
accordingly.
Yes, accordingly. Yeah, it depends on the
Yeah.
stock, right? So
Yeah,
adjusted
so the
accordingly.
notice indicated that the first aid training course will be provided free of charge to residents next month.
How do you spell the answer residence?
RESIDENTS.
Yeah, so the correct answer is A. Okay, congratulations. So